too. They're laying in the middle of the road. Okay.
Tonight we're hearing for the first time from people who witnessed this horrific Mother's Day crash in Scottsdale. A couple from Alaska was killed, and new tonight, ABC 15's Tim Vetcher shows us how their family and friends want them to be remembered.
You may not recognize the names Randy and Doris Bjorken, but clearly a lot of people knew them. One look at their church's Facebook page and you'll see in their home state of Alaska, the couple has quite the network of family and friends.
911, what is your emergency?
Oh my God, we just had some people hit.
Randy and Doris went out for a Mother's Day stroll Sunday morning while in the valley for a church retreat. As they walked along this stretch of Scottsdale Road, police say an SUV jumped the curb and struck them from behind. A witness immediately dialed 911.
We're on Scottsdale Road. No, oh my God.
Okay, listen, Scottsdale and what?
Scottsdale, just north of Lincoln, I think.
Okay, and was it pedestrian? Listen to me, was it pedestrian?
Oh my God. Yes, there are two. They're laying in the middle of the road.
Despite a doctor administering first aid and paramedics rushing them to nearby hospitals, both Randy and Doris's injuries proved too much to overcome, and they died a short time later. On the Facebook page for the Matanuska Assembly of God Church, Terry Doan writes, quote, "The suddenness of this loss is shocking." Terry Hall adds, quote, "My heart grieves tonight over the loss of two precious saints." Tina Martin posted, quote, "Praying comfort and peace on you all." As you can see, somebody placed flowers here at the site where Randy and Doris were struck. Police say the 23-year-old that hit them has been treated and released from the hospital. So far, he has yet to be charged with any crime. In Scottsdale, I'm Tim Vetcher, ABC 15 News.